This is the OpenNode dashboard. The Overview tab lists both your Bitcoin balance and fiat balances, in addition to account activity. The Actions drop-down navigates to money movement. You can initiate both Bitcoin and fiat withdrawals or exchange between the two balances within your account. The Activity tab gives an in-depth view of full account activity. Activities include payments, payouts, conversions between Bitcoin and fiat, and bank transfers. You can search for any transaction or click on an individual transaction to view more details like exchange rate, fees, and transaction ID. Select Download Activity to obtain a CSV file sent to the main account email address. You can filter this activity by type, including payments, transfers, conversions, or full activity. You can also select the time frame that you want the CSV file to include. Merchants can obtain this activity from their account at any time to use for tax purposes or for their own reference and record. The Wallets tab brings you to the two balances held within your account, your Bitcoin and fiat balances. Within the Bitcoin balance, you can initiate an instant transfer to any on-chain or Lightning Network wallet, turn on automatic transfers to an on-chain Bitcoin address to be sent every Monday, or convert any amount of Bitcoin to fiat currency. Within the fiat balance, you can initiate a one-time transfer to your bank account at any time. These transfers arrive in your bank account on the next business day via ACH transfer. You can turn on scheduled daily transfers that sweep your fiat balance to your bank account daily after the balance hits the listed threshold. Payment requests allow you to access an in-person point of sale directly from your OpenNode account. You can enter any amount to produce a payment request that your customers can scan and pay with their Bitcoin wallet. Adjust the toggle to switch between an on-chain or Lightning Network payment. OpenNode locks in the price of Bitcoin for 10 minutes after a charge is created, so you receive the exact amount you've requested from your customer. Simply have your customer scan the QR code to complete their payment. The Invoice tab allows you to send an email invoice to collect payment from anyone in the world. You can search invoices, create, or click any individual invoice to obtain detailed information. Select View Invoice to see a customer's view of the invoice. This includes an itemized breakdown with descriptions, pricing, quantities, and totals. You can also download a PDF of the invoice for record keeping. Selecting Pay Invoice takes the customer to a live, locked price checkout to complete their payment, similar to the point-of-sale payment request. Again, customers have the ability to pay with any Bitcoin wallet, whether on-chain or Lightning Network. The Developers tab guides you to ways of integrating an OpenNode checkout directly into your e-commerce store or custom website. Select Integrations for instructions to link your e-commerce store to OpenNode to collect Bitcoin payments for your goods or services. You can generate descriptive API keys to integrate with your store or custom website. OpenNode has open API documentation that can be accessed through the Integrations tab. All of OpenNode's self-hosted solutions are built with the same API that our merchants have access to. This allows you to offer a white-labeled checkout on your website while running OpenNode's code in the backend. OpenNode has partnered with the 6 largest e-commerce platforms to offer Bitcoin payments at your store's checkout. Included in our partnerships are Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Magento, PrestaShop, and OpenCart. Here's an example of an OpenNode integration with Shopify. With a simple copy and paste of an API key, a Bitcoin option shows up on your e-commerce store's checkout page. This can be completed without the need for developers or code. Your customers can select Bitcoin as a payment method during checkout to be taken directly to a hosted page to complete their payment. Upon completion of payment, they're taken back to your store to a payment completion page. This concludes our demo of the OpenNode platform. For more information about OpenNode and Bitcoin, visit our blog at opennode.com/blog.